Okay, Operations Mincemeat, Germany, part 2, time to roll. I got the answer from Krautfather. He didn't want to do any scrambling. So we'll go ahead and start. We'll go ahead and start with the first battle in Season 111. Okay. You have a battleship paired with a cruiser and a destroyer. Okay. All right. I've got a battleship, a bomber, a bomber. Okay. 2 fighters and 2 tacks and 2 subs. Okay. So here's the first roll. All right, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. So that's everybody. All right, your retaliation. You got 2 hits, all right? I'm going to go ahead and take the 2 subs. Okay, subs are gone. And these 3 are gone. 2, 3, 4 hits. All right, the next one is a battleship with 2 cruisers. All right. Okay. And so that's a battleship paired and a cruiser. Okay. All right, I've got 2 subs. Same thing, 2 bombers. All right. 2 tacks. And 2 fighters. Okay. And 1 destroyer. So 1 destroyer, the 2 bombers, 2 fighters, and 2 tacks. Okay. And then I have 2 subs that will be doing the surprise. Okay. See if we get anything. Nothing on the subs. Okay. Rest of them. And I got 2 hits. Okay. So 2 hits would probably see if you damage the battleship, you still get that paired, and you lose the French cruiser. So I think it would be that way. Or if you took the battleship, you would get 2 3s. So I would take the 4 and the 2 versus 2 3s. So I'm going to do it that way. If I do it wrong, then, you know, I guess that'd be it. So you have a damaged battleship and 1 cruiser left. My 2 subs will take a shot again. And nope, I didn't even have your roll yet. So there's your roll first before we decide which battle, right? There we go. Got a roll for you. And you had, look at that, no hits. Sorry, buddy. Okay. So now we'll do that. Okay. 2 subs. And sub got a hit. So, sub got a hit. So the only thing would be is, you know, take the battleship. And it gives you a 3 for the cruiser. And I hope I did this all right. Might have to do it all again. I can't remember, but I got the hits. All right, there's your roll. And you missed again. So that one's over. Everybody survived except for your fleet. So sorry about that, Charlie. All right, next one is Normandy. Or no, actually, we'll just finish it up with the sub attacking the destroyer for the Commonwealth. So, my 2 versus your 2. Okay, here's my sub. I hit. Here's your destroyer. You miss. So that one is sunk. Sub is still there. All right, next one is Normandy. Okay. All right, Normandy, I've got an infantry and artillery paired, 1 tank and 1 non-paired. Okay, versus your 3 2s. Okay. All right. Here we go. 3 hits. And I got 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. And your retaliation. And you got 2. All right. So I lose 2 infantry. And this one is gone. All right. The next one is for, we'll do Yugoslavia next. So Yugoslavia, you've got 5 2s. 2, 4, 5 2s. Okay. Your 5 guys, I've got 2 tanks, 1 fighter, 1 tactical that's paired with the tank and a fighter, and 7 infantry. 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. All right. Yep, I didn't take no artillery in, so that's what I got. All right, I've got 2 hits. That's it. Okay, 2 hits. And your response, and you got 1 hit. Okay, so you lose 2. I lose an infantry. 1 infantry, and you lose 2. All right, so you got 3 left. All right. 3 left. All right. I got 3 hits. And you got 1 hit. All right. So Yugoslavia's gone. I lose 1 more infantry. So I got 4 infantry, 2 tanks, and a fighter and plane. All right. Big one's Paris. Okay, here's Paris. All right. This one I'm not too sure of, but we're going to try it. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2s. 2, 6, 8 2s. Two tanks. And a fighter. All right. Okay. All right. So I've got 4 tanks. 5 tanks, 2, 4, 5, 2 artillery paired with 2 mechs, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2s, 7 1s. This is going to be a shithole then. I got 5 hits. All right. This is not looking good. And you got 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. I can't believe it. 3 hits. All right, so I lose 3 infantry. All right. And you lose an AA. and 4 Frenchies. All right. There's my 3. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that's still leaving you 2 infantry, 2 artillery, 2 tanks, and a fighter versus my 5 tanks, 2 artillery paired with 2 infantry, and 4 mechs. All right. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits. Okay, 6 hits. All right. You roll. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. All right, so I'll lose 4 more infantry. Or 4 mech. I'll just take the 4 mechs off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll take off 2, 3, 4, and a tank. So that leaves you a fighter and a tank. And I still have my 5 tanks and my 2 paired. Need 2 hits. All right, I've got 1, 2, 4 hits. All right, you're 2, and you get 2 more hits. So I'll lose 2 artillery out, or 2 infantry out of that. All right, so Paris has fallen. I have 5 tanks and 2 artillery. Okay, on that one. Okay, this one's an artillery tank. These 2 infantry are gone. All right, so that's pretty much it. Rest is non-combat. Okay, so okay. Bomber will come back to Western. This one will come back to Western. These 2 will go 1, 2 back to Holland, Belgium. The ones with the 3s will go to Western. Okay, so it won't be 1, 2. Actually, yeah, they can. Yeah, go Holland, Belgium. Why not? These guys will all go, except for the 1 tack, will go to Holland, Belgium. Okay, and the fighter go here. This fighter will go there. All right. And this one's got 3 left, so he's going to go 1, 2, 3. Because it was here, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's going to go in Sicily. All right. Okay, so that's done. That was never done. That was done. 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 These are done. That's done. There. Battleship. Yeah. That one's there. All right. And 1 infantry is going to move into Finland. So I'll get the 4 guys there. Okay. All right, this tank is going to go 1, 2. Stay there. 3 infantry. I'll move my infantry up to here so I can fly them out. Well, I should just leave it on the freaking thing. Hate when I got all this stuff, I got chip up. Artillery, move up there. All right. This will stay in Germany. The A's there. That'll work. That's big. Okay. The transport will come 1. And he's just going to pick these 2 up, put them in Normandy. All right. Okay, 4 plane, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can scramble in there. And okay, so then I'm going to place my units. I'm going to do 1 transport and 1 11 and 1 destroyer, 1 transport, 1 11. Okay, the fighter is going to also go in Germany here too. Okay. And I'll chip this all up here in a second for you. All right. So, all right. So, deposition of troops. 106, I have a sub. 110, I've got 2 subs and a destroyer. Okay. C-Zone 111, I've got a battleship. C-Zone 112, I've got 2 transports, a cruiser, and a destroyer. Okay. Normandy, 4 infantry. Finland, I have 5 infantry. Okay. Poland, 3 infantry. Slovakia, Hungary, 2 infantry. Romania, 1 infantry. Yugoslavia, 2 tanks and 4 infantry. Greater Southern, I have 2 artillery. In Germany itself, I have 7 infantry and 4 AA. Okay. In Germany, in Western Germany, I have 1 tank, 3 artillery, okay, 4 infantry, and 3 AA, 2 bombers, 1 TAC, 4 fighters. I gotta get a stamp for that one. 4 fighters. Okay, Holland, Belgium, 2 TACs and a fighter. Paris, 2 artillery and 5 tanks. Normandy, 1 tank, 1 artillery. Okay. And I have 1 tactical bomber that's over here in Libya. So, because he was in Romania, let's see. Yeah, I think the TAC was here, or one of them. I'll check, but it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fighter was up here. Went 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be Versa. I can't remember. I do not play Germany a lot, so I'll check that out. But if I'm wrong, send me an email. All right. I will go up 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Germany goes up 10 to 40. Okay. All right. So I'll collect 40 plus 5 for Denmark and Sweden. Okay. And if European X's are not aware, 5 for that. So I'll gain 50 for next turn, plus the 19 from France. So I'll have 50. I'll have 69 to spend next turn. Okay. On to Japan.